everybody, welcome back to our channel.
I'm Jocelyn.
What's your name? Ruby. We're doing a little makeup tutorial today. I've got the girls with me. I tried out a different way that I heard of to do your makeup eyeshadow. Eyeshadow for hooded eyes so that you can actually see the color better if you've got hooded eyes.
And Nicole.
What?
Nicole.
Okay. But anyway, I've got a little bit of foundation on and some primer. I prime my lids and then I used, let me see, I used this primer.
And it does smell like licorice.
I used this, I always moisten my, my sponge. I use that e.l.f. sponge. And then I put some of the Pharmacy Stay Matte foundation on. And then, let me see, where's my, and then I put concealer on my eyelids. And it's just an e.l.f. concealer from Walmart. But anyway, you put the concealer down so that your eyeshadow has something to stick to and the colors pop a little bit more. If you're not happy with the pigment that you get out of the pan, it's a good idea to put that concealer down so you have more color. Okay? And for this tutorial, I'm going to do a little bit of a harder look. I'm going to do my sunset eye look to show you how much faster it is to do your eyelids this way and to show you how much color you can actually see when you do your eyeshadow this way for hooded eyes. That's oil for your skin.
Oh, what you said?
Yes.
And folded? If I folded?
No.
No.
Okay, you're going to have to go over here so that I can do my makeup. And you can be back in a minute when I'm done, okay? You and Joss, are you going to stand there?
Yeah.
Okay.
All
right, I need to be in the middle. All right. Okay, to start with, normally when you do eyeshadows, you do a light. Okay, you can play that. A light, a medium, and a dark. And when you start off, normally we do the light at the top, the medium in the crease, and then the dark like in the corner or something like that. Well, today, we're going to go with light from here up, medium from here up, and then dark in the corner here up. We're going to be working up, we're going to be working vertical instead of horizontal. That way when you open your eye, you can actually see your eyeshadow when you've got hooded eyes. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'm using the James Charles and the Laura Lee. And I'm going to start off with the orange color at the top there. It is called 518 is what I'm going to start with. Okay. It's okay. It doesn't need to hang up. It can just be up there. Okay. 518 is the color. It's an orange color in the James Charles palette. And I'm going to use a brush like this that's really stiff to help pack a lot of color in that corner. Ooh, look at that orange.
It looks like Cheeto dust.
It does look like Cheeto dust. And we're just going to start here and work our way up. Okay, can you see?
Ooh, so pretty. It's
so
like
pretty.
only dust on your eye. I like cheese.
It's like cheese?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you're just going to try and blend that in, up and around a little bit. If you get it over into the middle, that's fine because you want everything to blend smoothly anyway. But I'm going to pull that almost into the brow. Look how high. That way when I open my eye, look how much of that color you can see even with the hooded eye. Okay, and it's going to look a little bit crazy to begin with, but by the end you're going to blend it all out and it's going to look nice. So trust the process, okay? The next color we're going to go in is with that red color. You're kidding. It's a dark, or it's a orangey red color on the James Charles palette. Excuse me. Yeah. And I'm just going to put that right next to the orange and build it. I'm trying to put this on in the phone and it's a little bit difficult, so.
Mama, you did it?
And I've found that doing my makeup this way is so much easier. I feel like my makeup blends out a little bit faster. You take a big fluffy blending brush and kind of blend those colors together.
Yeah.
Because you don't want solid orange stops, red starts. You want it to blend nicely. And you might need to put a little bit more. Just work with it.
I guess. You gotta work.
Yeah, work with it. Okay. Oops. Shoot, I got that in my eyebrow.
Colored eyebrows. I do.
Blend it, blend it.
I have folded. Choo choo.
you can go back and get a little bit more orange.
So pretty.
The 518. If you feel like that blended out a little bit too much, you want it to brighten up some. That's the 518 right there. I feel like that's pretty good for right now. Okay?
What's
You got the
this?
2 colors for right now.
What's this?
Light bulb.
Now, I'm going to go to the Laura Lee palette. And when I do a purple, I want to do purple in the corner here. When I do purple, I always put a blue down first. And it really makes that purple pop a little bit more. And it's going to help
This?
blend that into a dark.
Mom, what's
Purple.
this?
That is a razor for my eyebrows.
Oh, Mom, that's a lid.
Put the lid back
No,
on.
no.
Give that to Jocelyn so she can put the lid back on.
Give it to me, give it to me.
And
Ruby,
that's what that
Ruby.
should look like right now.
Sorry.
So I'm using 4 colors.
Oh, no.
So if you were only using 3, you would do light, medium,
I know.
dark.
I'm
Okay.
trying to get it on.
And I'm going to try and blend that out a little bit.
No. Close it. There, it's out of it. Okay, now time out more.
All right, now that I've got that blue down, we're going to go in with the purple. Oh, shoot, not on that brush. Not on that. We're going to go
Do not take
in
that brush.
with a brush like this, just a simple eyeshadow brush,
Oh, that's
And
like
do
you.
it. in the corner right here.
Oh, that's like you, Mama.
Uh-huh. And mix back and forth between the blue, because that didn't really get the blue and the purple.
Take that out, Ruby.
And it's going to kind of look like a bruise,
What's that?
But don't worry.
but it'll
What's
really make that
this?
purple look very pretty.
What's this?
That's the sunset look. I thought you were doing yellow after.
Not yet. Yellow goes on the top.
I like it.
You like it?
I like cheese. It's like cheese.
Uh-huh.
Gimme. This will work. I did
All right.
it for you.
And I'm going to take my fluffy brush again and try and blend it.
I did it for you, minute.
Uh-huh. And if it seems like the other colors are kind of fading away a little bit, don't panic. You can always go back and put a little bit more on top. That's what I'm going to do.
worry.
As long as you get the bases blended.
And
pretty
no
good.
worry. No worry.
No worry, that's right.
I want some meat.
Okay?
Oh, so
So
pretty.
that's what we look like right now. I'm going to take and do a little bit more of the red in the orange so that color just pops a little bit more. And then we're going to put yellow right here. Okay. Go back in with our Cheeto dust color.
Yeah. I like that blue.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't there a color in Shane Dawson's
This one
pink cheese dust?
Ow!
Yeah, all his stuff is food colors or food names.
No, this is yeah.
I mean, it's kind of like related to us because we
Okay.
like eyeshadow and we like food.
Now take
Okay,
the red.
now no, this down in my head. And put it on my head.
And blend it all
Mom
together.
needs that, Ruby.
Somebody move. My tummy hurt.
Okay. I'm kind of happy with that. I might see if the other palette has.
No.
I like bright colors.
Yep.
I like it. Shh. I like it
Cheese
to look
doesn't-
bright, so I think I'm going to use this orange instead and see how that goes. Brighten it up a little
Oh yeah.
bit. But you can just keep adding, keep working until you get the color combination, color brightness that you like.
Okay.
Okay.
That tickle.
See? Now I'm going to do a little bit more red. Barbie's on the phone.
It really
no.
is. It does kind of look like a bruise, but it will turn out good.
And then I'm going to take this yellow, the yellow from the James Charles palette,
Open tea.
and put it right here.
I need
I
this.
blend it down so that get rid of that harsh line from where you've got makeup to nothing on your skin.
Look. And look. And look.
And the more you blend that out, the softer it's going to be, so it's not going to be really loud, unlike Ruby right now. Ruby. Okay. Stop. You weirdo.
And shoot.
I think I'm
There's
gonna
some hazardous things in this video, and it's my sister's weirdness.
Oh,
That's the hazardous thing.
Okay.
Take this away.
And that's how you do that eyeshadow. See how much more color you can see when your eyes open? It is a little bit wild, yes. But that's okay.
For this.
I think I might do some.
This.
And you don't want sparkles, kind of like, you can have sparkles if you want to with eyeshadow, but it kind of just makes it like really, really bright, and you don't want a lot of bright colors.
And you just work with the colors that you got there. Till you get it what you like. But basically this is just a tutorial to show you the different way to the vertical way instead of the horizontal way that everybody does to do hooded eyeshadow. This is kind of quick.
Yeah.
But anyway, and then you would take and do your liner. Where is mine?
in there.
Yeah, don't touch it. I know it hurts. I use the Pretty Vulgar one
Why?
because it's good.
Why?
Just
It's
get a little
not
bit on your angled
smarter.
brush. A little bit on an angled brush. And you want to draw a line like as if you were extending your
Hello.
bottom lash. So I close my lid
Whoa,
and
so
then draw
pretty.
like that.
It's this so pretty.
And then you're going to draw back
See?
to meet your bottom lid and then fill it in.
Mom,
Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Normally I need two.
Look, it's so pretty.
Uh-huh, it is very pretty.
Close
Okay,
it
that
up.
looks good.
It was
Just wanna
so.
Yeah.
Put it right here.
Don't feel bad if you see my mom's eyeliner and you can't do a
No, it's
like
not
a
nice.
ring like
Sis,
that.
it's not nice.
Okay.
Don't feel bad if you see the mask.
This is my
Mask
color.
winged eyeliner is very hard. All I can say is
No, touch
practice,
it
practice,
in.
practice.
No, put this in
You're
there.
not
Put a little
It's not for
eyeliner
It's not
here
for
over
cord.
half your eye.
It's not for charger. It's not for togi. It's not
Remember, you're not
for.
perfect.
It's not
and
togi.
You are very
It's
good
not-
at makeup.
Bang. It's
Always.
not cord.
As long as you practice, you get better and
It's
better.
not
Alright, now
Put-
curl
it's
eyelashes.
driver blue. And it's not ding. And it's not toad.
Just curling
It's
eyelashes.
not tooty. And no
And
toad.
my favorite mascara is
It's
the
not
Zen
hot.
from Pharmacy, but I'm not going to use that because I'm just planning on washing this right off after this video.
It's not.
So I'm just going to use a cheap one that I have since I'm just washing it
It's
right
not
off.
food.
Because we're not really going anywhere, you know, so.
What's that?
It's mascara.
Why?
What are you doing? Stop.
Ba 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 ba
Because
ba.
it is. There we go.
On this.
And I usually like to take this brush again
Ooh.
that we started with. I have one of these. These are great. These are a lifesaver. It's a shadow switch pan. It doesn't clean your brushes like if you were to take it to the bathroom and clean it. It just knocks the pigment off so that you can switch from color to color.
Don't
And I'm going to get a highlight and stick it.
some pink.
Okay.
Okay, rub it on your face.
Rub it on your face. What are you rubbing on your face?
This.
Okay.
A pink one. And then put it.
That's our quick,
on my
easy
teeth.
hooded eyeshadow tutorial for today. So we've learned
Cover
instead
up
of
one
going...
side of your face so it looks
How's that look?
This.
Mhm.
So,
Listen with
and
one eye
this.
and one side of her lip and one side of her
See?
nose.
so instead of doing horizontal eyeshadow and working down, we start
But
vertically and go this way with light, dark, or light, medium, dark. And take it all the way up, almost to the eyebrow. And look how pretty it looks.
And blend it.
And blend, blend, blend. All right.
Oh, yeah.
You gonna say bye?
Yeah.
Say thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed. Hope it helps you with your makeup. Now's the perfect time to practice because we're in quarantine, and if you mess up, nobody's gonna see it anyway.
And pray.
And spray, yeah.
And
Say, be sure to like and subscribe. We hope you
there's no
enjoyed.
comment.
And comment. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it helps you. Bye.
bye.